Hello and welcome to Brad Frederick Beats. Today I just want to show you how you can screen record audio and video. So first of all, before I start showing you how you can do that, first you need to download your audio interface drivers which are up to date. If you are using old ones, it will be difficult for you to screen record because old drivers, they won't have this option which I'm going to show you. I'm using the Focusrite audio interface, which is 2i2 4th generation, which I'm going to use to show you how you can screen record your audio. I'm using FL Studio. So let's go into the computer. I show you how you can do some settings. So first of all, as you can see my audio, you are able to see it that I'm speaking here from the mic which I'm using. So I'm going to also show you how you can connect the mic, like the way this mic is connected, so that you'll be able to hear my audio, or you'll be able to use it to record your audio. So now let's go into FL Studio and do some settings. So when you go into FL Studio, go to option, then audio settings. So here you are going to select your audio interface. I'm using Focusrite audio interface, the one which I've selected here. So select the audio interface which you are using. It's going to appear here when you have done some installation of your drivers for that audio interface which you are using. Select here. We are going to go on sample rate. So this sample rate, to me, the one which is working properly is 44,100. I tried to change to 48,000. I was having issues with the audio. The audio was sounding bad. So I'm going to use this same one. Then we are going to cross this. Then when I've done that, we are going to minimize FL Studio, minimize OBS. We are going to go on the Focusrite controller. So when you install your Focusrite audio interface drivers, you are going to have this Focusrite controller, which is written Focusrite controller 2. So I'm going to open it by double clicking it. When it opens like this, click here. Then when you click here, come on preferences, click here. So as you can see, the 44,100 which I selected in FL Studio, which is the sample rate, it's the one which is even here for my audio interface. So now we're going to go on device. Then on device, make sure that this one which is written send direct monitor mix to loopback is selected. Make sure that it's checked here, the way it is mine here. Then when I've done selecting this, you're going to close it. Then come here where it is written direct, click here. Then make sure that this direct monitor is also checked like the way mine is here. When you have done that, we're going to close this. After doing that, this arrow which is pointing up here, left click on it, then go on the Focusrite sign, which is this one here. Then right click on it, go here where it says expose / hide Windows channels. Click on it by left clicking. When it opens, make sure that this one which is 10 loopback L plus R is checked or selected. When it is checked or selected, you press OK. So mine's already selected. I'm going to close it. Then here, we are going to come on the volume, left click on it, then make sure that your audio interface is selected. Like mine we have seen, the Focusrite USB is selected here. So when you have selected your audio interface, you're going to close it, then right click on it. When it opens, go where it's saying sounds, left click on it. So when it opens like this, come here where it's saying playback. Click here. So when this window opens, what I'm going to show you on this one, do on everything which is here, depending with what you are going to have here. So that the settings we did in FL Studio, they are going to be the same with these settings which are here for you to have the good audio recording. So I'm going to right click here. Then when it opens, I'm going to go on properties, then go on advanced. Then have you seen, make sure that here the sample rate, like the way it is in FL Studio, which is 44,100, make sure that even here it's the same. So when you have selected the way it is here, like in FL Studio, which is 44,100, when you have done that, you select it, you come on apply. Mine, it can't bring apply because I've already done that. Then you click OK. So now what I've shown you, do it on everything which you are able to do what I've shown you here, and make sure that all the settings, they are according to what I've shown you here. Then when I've done that, come on recording. Then on recording, do the same thing. Right click, properties, advanced, then make sure that here it's according to the way you have done the settings in FL Studio. When you have done that, click on apply again, then okay. So do the same thing on everything here, depending with what you are going to have here. Then when you are done all the settings, you are going to close this window. You are going to go in OBS. I'm going to open OBS. So as you can see, OBS is recording my mic here. So I'm going to do the settings which I've done here just to show you. So what we are supposed to do to have FL Studio to be recorded, or the audio from FL Studio to be recorded in OBS. Let me just mute this audio from FL Studio. I'm going to mute it. I don't want you to pay attention to this. I'm going to add this same one which I've done here. So you come here on the plus, you click here. Then after clicking here, you go on the audio input capture. You click here. So this one is the FL Studio audio, which we are going to rename here. So I'm just going to rename this as the FL Studio. Then I'm going to click on the OK. Then this window is going to open. When this window opens, I'm going to click here. So here now, we are going to select this option, which is then loop back. The one I showed you earlier in the audio interface, I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to click on it, OK. So as you can see, so if I go to FL Studio and I play the beat, so you have seen that the OBS was speaking audio from FL Studio. So now let me show you how you can connect your mic like the way mine is here. So I'm going to mute this one which I've done here so that we can add a new one. So the audio is going to change because I'm going to use now the audio from my camera there. So the audio sound different. So let me just mute this one. Okay. So now after doing that, we're going to go again on add source. Click here. Then we're going to go on audio input capture. Click here. Then we're going to name this as my mic. Then I'm going to click on it. Okay. So when this window opens, I'm going to come here. Then now I'm going to select this one, which is then analog 1+2 brackets. Then you can read what is written here. So this is where my mic is plugged to the audio interface. So I'm going to select this one. Then I'm going to click OK. So as you can see, you are able to see my audio is being captured in OBS. So now you can see it is captured on the left side. So let me show you how you can turn this into mono. So come here, click here, then you go on advanced audio properties, click here. Then we are going to find my mic, which is this one, which I've written my mic, you can see. So now we are going to check this. We're going to click here so that it becomes mono. You can read on top here, certain mono. So I'm going to click here. So now you can see that it is now in mono. You can close it. So you have seen that my mic is able to be picked in OBS together with audio from FL Studio. So the way it is in OBS, I'm able to record audio from FL Studio and I'm able to record my mic. And when I save this screen recording and put it into my video editing software, it is going to have two audios, one from FL Studio and one from my mic. That's a good part about OBS. If I want to add some effect to my audio, I'm going to add some effect. It won't be together with this from FL Studio. They will be recorded separate because of the settings which I've done, which I was from just showing you. So now we are going to go to File, then Settings. So when this window opens, come here, it's an audio. Click here. Here now you can see the sample rate we did in FL Studio is the same 44.100. Then when you come here, you can see that what is selected here, it's my mic, which is the one you are able to hear my voice from. So make sure that this one is selected according to the input which you are using for your mic. Now we are going to go on output. So on output, come on audio. So make sure that these which are here are written 320. So I can't change them because I'm screen recording. You can change them, all of them, to 320. When you are done, click on apply and then OK. Then come on recording. Then on recording here, you can see that audio track 1 and 2 are selected. So make sure that you also audio track 1 and 2 are selected. When I've done that, mine is showing I can't select it because I'm using OBS, I'm screen recording. So if you are not screen recording, it's going to give you option to choose. So you're going to check 1 and check 2. Then you click apply, then okay. So I'm going to close that. So now we're going to go back on my mic here. I'm going to click here, then you go on advanced audio properties. So when this opens, you can see that we are sitting FL Studio, which is this one here. Let me just drag this. So here, make sure that this only check the first one. So I'm going to uncheck all of this up to the last one. So make sure that only this one is checked, the first one here. Then when you come to your mic, here we are going to uncheck 1, but we're going to select 2, then the rest of them, just uncheck them. So when you're done, it's supposed to be like the way mine is. So when you come on FL Studio, which is the audio from FL Studio when you are playing the beat from FL Studio or anything you are doing in FL Studio. So this is the one which is on 1. Then this mic which I'm using to record my audio, which you are able to hear me, which is this one, then my mic, it's on 2. So check 2, then close this. So now if I play the beat, you're going to hear the beat from FL Studio and also going to hear me speaking while the beat is playing. So let me just show you that. You're going to see the beat will be picking here and my audio will be also be picking here. So if I go to FL Studio, then I play the beat, then I go to OBS. So you can see I'm speaking, my mic is here and FL Studio is being also recorded here on top. So if I keep quiet, talking, you can see. So these two audios are being recorded separately. It's not being recorded together. They are being recorded separately. This has been Brother Frederick. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.